Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by Brodie, who's CEO and Technical Director at Alien Metals. How are you today, Bill?
Yeah, I'm very good, Zach. How are you?
You're a busy man at the moment, and you've had a busy share price too at some point as well over the last week or two. But today it's all about the earn-in agreement and the Donovan 2 copper gold project.
Yeah, that's right. We've been extremely busy in the background, working with Capstone Mining. Been talking to the technical team for several months. Really, they've done a very detailed due diligence on the project, reviewing all the work that Alien has done to date, and then obviously they very much like, as we do, what the potential holds for the project. So then of course it moves across to the more not quite legal, but the sort of dot the I's and cross the T's, the earning agreement, which we're very happy to announce. We've announced this morning. We're very excited, having a major Canadian group getting involved, essentially funding the project to pretty much feasibility stage with everything with good luck and a following wind, based on around sort of a $10 million expenditure over the next 2-3 years, depending on the speed of progress. And with us, Alien sort of maintaining a percentage in the project, and that gives us as well opportunities to focus on other projects, existing ones and possibly new ones, while we have an experienced partner working away on Donovan 2.
So basically, this is actually underlining what the blueprint of the strategy of Alien Metals is, that you identify interesting projects, you sort of discover how much the asset or resources in those projects, and then you find partners to develop them. And you run with those partners.
Well, that's right. I mean, it's it's always we have been and we are sort of that's the strategy, and it's this is the first, hopefully, of several agreements going forward on some of our other projects. But absolutely, and it's I think it's great. Capstone themselves, they have a producing mine. Goes them in just sort of up the road, so they know the country, they know the minerals, they know the commodity, everything to do with the end result, hopefully, for this project, which makes a huge difference for us as well. But absolutely, this is our strategy, and we're moving forward. We're very pleased with the outcome, and we're really excited to see, and hopefully our investors in the market will be excited to see as we start and as Capstone start funding and driving the work forward.
So this means that you're a £70 million company at the moment. You can punch above your weight, and you're also scalable in terms of being able to have multiple projects going on at the same time. So it's cash efficient as well.
Well, absolutely. I mean, it gives us, sort of, in some ways, one of our projects now is we have a great partner who's going to be sort of managing and running that and funding it. So myself and my team, we can now focus even more on our other projects. And as I said, as potentially new projects come into the system and the portfolio, move forward there as well. So it's a win-win, we feel, for the company, for the investors, and for the project, because the project now will have a serious funding to really drive it forward as it deserves.
Brodie, CEO and Technical Director at Alien Metals, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.